Hello students, welcome back to our new video. My name is Subham. Live in India, Bihar. Today I will learn 25 Hiragana language in Japanese. Let's started the video. First word is A. A. In Hindi, A. This is English language and this is Hindi. In Japanese, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we will repeat it 1, 2 and 3. This is A. Second word is I. In Hindi, E. In Japanese, 1 and 2. What is 1 and 2? Third word is U. In Hindi, U. In Japanese, 1 and 2. Once more repeating, 1 and 2. Okay. Next word is E. In Hindi, A. In Japanese, 1, 2. Okay. Once more repeating, 1 and 2. Okay. Next word is O. In Hindi, O. In Japanese, 1, 2 and 3. Once more, 1, 2, 3. Next word is Ka. In Hindi, Ka. In Japanese, 1, 2, 3. Once more, 1, 2, 3. Next word is Ki. In Hindi, Ki. In Japanese, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is first. And second method is 1, 2, 3. Once more, 1, 2, 3. Next word is ku. In Japanese, 1. Once more, 1. Okay. Next word is K. In Japanese, 1, 2, 3. Once more, 1, 2, 3. Next word is ko. 1, 2. Once more, 1, 2. Next word is sa. In Japanese, 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Next word is she, not a C. She. 1. Okay, once more. 1. Next word is shoe. 1 and 2. Once more. 1 and 2. The word is shape. In Japanese. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Next word is show. 1. Once more. 1. Okay. Next word is the. In Japanese. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. The word is chi. 1 and 2. Once more. 1, 2. Next word is shoe, not a shoe. This is shoe. In Japanese. 1. Once more. 1. Next language is they. In Japanese. 1. Once more. 1. Word is to. 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2. Next word is na. In Japanese. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next word is ni. In Japanese. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Next word is no. 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2. Next word is ne. In Japanese. 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2. Next word is no. 1, 1. How was the video? Text in a comment